To transfer files between your Samsung Galaxy S25 and your previous phone, first you will need to download the same app on both of the devices. It's called Send Anywhere, so you can access it from Google Play Store or any other store. And here's the app downloaded. We can open it on both of the devices. Now on the left there's a Samsung, and on the right there's my previous smartphone, and we need to allow any permissions that will pop up on the screen. And when we have that permissions, we can go back to the main app. So now make sure that both of the devices are connected to the internet, and we can start moving those files. So in this case, I'm going to select files on the right with this phone right here, those photos right here. Then we can click on the send button. Now you will see a code and QR code and link. You can use all these three methods to share those files, and to receive them on our Samsung, we need to change to Receive tab and insert the code from the right. Wait till the connection is established, and then the file transfer should begin. So here's my files, they just arrived, and there's plenty of ads as well, so let's just wait through them. And we can receive and just check out all of the files. Keep in mind that you can send anything from here. There's recent photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, files, and etc. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.